Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy using the Proxybonanza extension. Let's get started. Start by downloading the extension, then access it from your browser's extensions panel. Although you can import a proxy list in CSV format, I'll focus on manual addition. Click on Add a new proxy to begin. First, choose a country from the extensions list for easier navigation among proxy servers. Enter the proxy IP address and port. Note that the extension supports HTTP and SOCKS 5 protocols. For free proxies, a username and password aren't necessary. However, if you're using a private proxy, fill in these details in the designated fields. After entering all information, click on the Save button to store your proxy settings. To enable the proxy, simply click the green Enable button located at the bottom of the interface, or double-click on the proxy you've added. Following these steps, your proxy will be successfully configured. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.